the portable wireless speaker. Ayan. It's a Bluetooth. Extreme portable wireless speaker. Okay, let us see inside. Okay. I will unbox this one. You can see first the box. You can see. Okay. It's a speaker phone. Splash proof. 1,000 battery with dual USB charge out. 15 hours of playtime. Ayan, wireless. Extreme portable wireless speaker. Okay. I will unbox. Okay, ang hirap. Hirap, wala kay ipit Ito. Hirapan ako Wow. Okay guys, I will unbox this one. The Extreme portable wireless speaker. It's a Bluetooth. Okay, you can see the box. Okay, a wireless portable wireless speaker. Okay, this one. Splash proof speaker phone. 10,000 battery with dual USB charge out. 15 hours of playtime, wireless, extreme portable wireless speaker. Ayan, okay, I will open it. Okay, I will open. As you can see the box. See? It's very colorful. Ayan. Okay, see. Ayan siya. Ito po yung nasa loob. Okay, ayan. See. Very nice. The zipper. Ayan siya. Ayan. Charge USB line in. The card input. Ayan. Ayan siya. As you can see the inside. This one, yeah, because this one to charge, right? This one this one for the wireless for the charging, and this one is the sling bag, because this one can if you go out, then this one for the sling, like this. When you go out, then can bring, okay, can sling. You can see, like this, can put here. See? Very nice. It can sling. Yeah. See? Extreme portable wireless speaker. Ayan. Ayan siya. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. you can see, guys, can sling. A sling bag. Like a bag. Because you go out and bring, you sling this one. And see, but it's like a sling bag. It's a portable wireless speakers. Oh, parang siyang look like a bag, ah. It's look like a bag. See? It's like a bag. It's like a sling bag. Ayan. The next thing ko, guys. Ayan po ang sound. Ayan.